Hello, and welcome to week 5 of Data Modeling Strategies and Tools. We've come to the final week of the course, this very quick course, and this week is going to be a continuation from last week in that we're going to talk about pivot tables in a little greater detail. We're going to talk about pivot tables in the context of statistics and statistical modeling, which is a mouthful, but we're going to try and break it down into manageable chunks. We're going to talk about, I have two discussions in this lesson and one assignment, and they will each kind of build on each other as this is the final week of the course. We are going to talk about the various types of descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, and regression analysis that is used in business intelligence today. The first discussion is going to be an article on utilizing and teaching data tools in Excel for exploratory analysis. So you'll read the article, and then we want to discuss data mining as an exploratory tool in business intelligence, gathering out what can be gleaned from that information that you find in the data, and then reviewing the limitations of data mining. You know, what's not going to be available, what's not there, and how you can use data mining as a predictive model in the creation of business intelligence. So that's the first discussion. The second discussion is statistical analysis and regression correlation. And again, we're going to read a paper, Mining Massive Web Log Data of an Official Tourism Website as a way to analyze the data from the tourism. So we'll talk about that. We'll identify the kinds of data. We'll discuss the data modeling tools and techniques. We'll analyze it, and then we'll relate it into a real life situation in that discussion. Remember to post early. This is a short week. The course officially ends on Friday, the 8th at 5 p.m. Central Time. So you want to be sure that you post early enough so that you have the benefit of interacting with your peers. Even though I know we're a small class, we want to try and do that early so that everyone has a chance to comment and critique each other's discussions. And then finally, we will have an assignment, and it's a pretty big one. We're going to talk about, it's a business intelligent consulting project, the whole ball of wax. The instructions talk about using the Alberstone sales data to complete the assignment. So what you'll do is you'll write a narrative between 5 and 10 pages outline that's covers all of the items that are outlined in the instructions. Their competition, their core business functions, their 5 groups of customers, and then you're going to use the sales data in the table that's presented as part of your analysis. And remember that there is an incorrect piece of data. There's a typo in the data, and it's done on purpose so that what you will want to do is correct that and make the corrections and present the corrected table in your assignment in those 10 pages that you put together. So it will be a culmination of narrative as well as tables. Use whatever you need to illustrate your points. Be sure that you write in the APA formatting style as required by Capella, and most of all that you turn in your assignment before the course ends on Friday at 5 o'clock Central Time. I'll be in the course room every day. I'll be reading and responding to discussions. Any questions that you may have, feel free to email me, leave me a voicemail, or you can ask me in the Ask the Instructor section of the course room. I look forward to working with you, and I'll see you in the course room.